everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And today I'm going to be doing a snowman. That's right. Ho ho ho! It's Christmas in July and we're going to be doing a snowman today. I'm going to start off with, I think it's a Prussian blue. Some of these colors I have mixed here for a while. So I'm going to make a sky here. I'm going to start off with some Prussian blue. I believe that's what that is. And this is a 9 by 12 canvas. So we're going to make a sky. And we're going to do a little swipe first. I have some Liquitex Cobalt Blue U. Use some of that in there. And then we have, I have a nice blue mixture here that's been hanging around for a while. Thought I would add some of that in. Whoop. Get some of that beautiful color in. We want to lighten up that sky a bit. And this color is, this is a little white mixed in with, gosh, I don't know, there's a whole bunch of colors mixed in here. I'll try and find all those colors and I'll get that for you and put it in the description below. And let's see, do we have anything else here? I have my little bit of Paynes Grey. Let's add up on the top. Very much like a little more of that Cobalt Blue U down here. I actually think this is plenty of paint. Just in case. Just in case. Fill in those little blanks there. Should be good. I think I'm going to use a paper towel to swipe. I'm just looking for my spray. Yes. Spray bottle right here. Spray that a little bit. Before I swipe that. Should make a beautiful background for my snowman. had some of this mixed up, but I guess I don't. Some of this bubble bath. So I think I'm going to mix a little of this right before you, right here. So this is, it's Color Shot, and I bought this from at Home Depot, and it's called Bubble Bath, and it's a beautiful white, like a pearly white. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. I'm gonna put some gloss medium into that. Just a little bit. Can you, I don't know if you could, I'm sorry. Can you see that? Yeah. It's just a very small amount of gloss medium. I have one of those covers on my Floetrol, so I don't have to worry about any boogers. I'm going to add some Floetrol in here. That'll be just about right. Okay, and my purple. Let it glisten a little bit purple. If you want to make this a dirty cup. Over here, I wonder if I can little eyes, put some buttons. And some buttons. That looks pretty cool. I can give him some arms. I think I can give my snowman some arms. For a snowman. What do you think? What do you think about that? I think he looks pretty cool. Yeah. Whoops. Alright, wait, I need to do one little swipey thing. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little of this. I think that's a little better. I think my snowman is done. I think he's so swirly and so shiny. He looks great. This is the happiest snowman I have ever seen. I would love for you to let me know what you think in the comments below about my little snowman here. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, where there is no snow where I live, but I'd love to know what you think about my snowman. Signing off. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'd love to hear what you have to think about this beautiful snowman in July. Christmas in July. Love it. See you tomorrow. Have a great night. Have a great day. Have a great evening, everyone. Donna from Hollywood signing off tonight. Bye-bye now. I must admit, as the night was going on, I was cleaning the sides and my snowman was melting as it was drying. Melted a little bit off of the sides, but I say that's a snowman in Hollywood, California. Bye-bye now.